In this video, I want to talk about how you can add Elementor to your WordPress website. Now this is super simple, guys. Elementor is just a plugin. So what you should do is head over to your dashboard by typing in your URL /wp-admin. And once you're on here, you just want to come in here, go to plugins. Once you're inside of the plugins, you just want to search for Elementor, and you will see all of their plugins. Now they have a few different ones, but usually the website builder is the one that you want to have. So just find Elementor one, and these are usually like built upon the Elementor one. So you need this one right here. Click on it, download it. Now keep in mind you need to have an upgrade to your WordPress account, so you cannot download a plugin if you're on the free version. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.